Did you know that by the time most people turn 80, nearly half of their muscle mass may already be gone compared to when they were younger? This silent condition, called sarcopenia, robs millions of seniors of their strength and independence. More than 50 million older adults worldwide are affected. And every year, weak muscles lead to over 300,000 hospital visits from dangerous falls. But here's the surprising part. Researchers publishing in the Journal of Physiology found that this severe loss of strength isn't guaranteed. In fact, some people in their 70s and even 80s still have the muscle function, energy, and even appearance of someone decades younger. While many of their peers struggle to climb stairs or rise from a chair, these individuals remain fully independent well into their 90s. Some still hike, play sports, and outperform people half their age on strength tests. So, what's their secret? Studies from places like the Mayo Clinic and Harvard Medical School reveal habits that most seniors have never been told about. Powerful, science-backed routines that can slow down and, in some cases, even reverse muscle loss. Yet surveys show that 93% of older adults don't know these strategies exist. That's what this video is all about. Stay with me, because you're about to discover the 7 habits that set these super-agers apart. And before we dive in, if you find this kind of information valuable, make sure to subscribe to this channel and tap the like button. It helps us bring you more life-changing health tips. Also, let us know in the comments where you're watching from. We love hearing your stories. Now, let's get started. One of the most fascinating habits of strong seniors is something called hormetic stress. It may sound complicated, but it's simply the idea that a small dose of stress can make your body stronger. Just like lifting a weight makes your muscles grow, tiny bursts of challenge trigger protective systems in your cells. Scientists from the Buck Institute for Research on Aging found that short exposures to cold, heat, fasting, or intense muscle contractions actually preserve muscle and boost function even into your 80s. For example, ending a shower with 30 to 60 seconds of cold water or enjoying a sauna session a few times a week can switch on special proteins that protect and repair your muscle tissue. Brief isometric exercises, like pushing or pulling against a fixed object for a few seconds, keep muscles active without stressing the joints. The key is balance. Just enough stress, followed by recovery. Gentle challenges like these wake up longevity genes that protect your strength as you age. Another habit that makes a huge difference is protein timing. Most people know protein is important, but very few know when you eat it matters just as much as how much you eat. As we get older, our muscles become less efficient at using protein, a process scientists call anabolic resistance. That means if you eat most of your protein at dinner, your muscles miss opportunities earlier in the day to repair and grow. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition shows that spreading protein evenly across breakfast, lunch, and dinner, about 25 to 30 grams per meal, stimulates muscle growth up to 25% more effectively. So instead of just toast or cereal in the morning, try eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie. Add lean meats, fish or beans to lunch and dinner, and you'll give your muscles a steady supply of fuel all day long. Closely tied to protein is vitamin D, sometimes called the muscle vitamin. More than 80% of seniors are deficient, and this deficiency doesn't just affect bones. It quietly drains strength, balance, and coordination. Harvard researchers discovered that vitamin D switches on genes inside your muscle cells that are responsible for building and maintaining mass. A study published in JAMA Internal Medicine revealed that seniors with healthy vitamin D levels had 25% stronger muscles and better balance than those who were deficient. Sunlight helps, but as we age, our skin produces far less vitamin D. Most seniors need 2,000 to 4,000 IU per day from supplements, plus foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, or fortified dairy. And don't forget vitamin K2, found in fermented foods, which helps direct calcium into your bones instead of your arteries. Together, these nutrients form a powerful shield against muscle decline. Managing inflammation is another key. Scientists even have a term for age-related inflammation: inflammaging. This low, constant fire inside the body speeds up muscle breakdown and blunts the benefits of exercise and protein. A landmark Tufts University study showed that seniors with the highest inflammation lost muscle 3 times faster than those with the lowest. How do the strongest older adults keep inflammation low? They stick to regular sleep routines, aim for complete darkness at night, and protect their gut health by eating a wide variety of plant foods and fermented products like yogurt or sauerkraut. They exercise moderately most days, but avoid overtraining, which can backfire and increase inflammation. And they make anti-inflammatory foods like fatty fish, turmeric, berries, green tea, and olive oil part of their daily diet. Small habits like these add up to powerful protection. Micronutrients are another overlooked piece of the puzzle. It's not just protein, carbs, and fats. Your body also needs vitamins and minerals to actually use that protein and energy effectively. Take magnesium, for example. Over 70% of seniors are deficient, yet it's vital for muscle contractions, nerve signals, and over 300 enzyme reactions. A 2021 study showed that seniors with healthy magnesium levels had much stronger grip strength and overall performance than those with low levels. Foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and even dark chocolate are excellent sources. Creatine, once thought of only as a bodybuilder supplement, has also been shown to boost muscle strength and brain function in older adults. And B12, especially the methylated form, supports energy production. Yet absorption drops with age and certain medications. Strong seniors also make sure to get enough trace minerals like zinc and selenium, which support protein synthesis and muscle repair. Getting these nutrients tested and personalized can make a dramatic difference. Another secret lies in protecting the neuromuscular connections, the wires that link your brain to your muscles. As we age, these connections weaken, and without them, your brain can't recruit muscle fibers effectively. But the good news is, they can be trained and preserved. Activities that challenge coordination, like dancing, tai chi, or even table tennis, force your brain and muscles to work together in new patterns. Studies show that seniors who practice these kinds of activities maintain 31% better neuromuscular function than those who don't. Supplements like alpha-lipoic acid and acetyl L-carnitine can also protect these connections from oxidative stress. And believe it or not, even simple breathing exercises like box breathing, inhaling for 4 counts, holding for 4, exhaling for 4, holding for 4, can stimulate the vagus nerve and boost muscle activation. Keeping the brain engaged through puzzles, reading, or other cognitive challenges also strengthens the pathways that keep muscles responsive. And finally, the most powerful habit of all, progressive resistance training. Experts at Tufts University even call it the closest thing we have to an anti-aging drug, but it has to be done right. Many seniors think lifting weights is too risky, but in reality, not lifting is the real danger. Without resistance training, muscle melts away faster, increasing the risk of falls, frailty, and dependence. The strongest older adults focus on quality over quantity. They use compound movements that engage multiple muscle groups. They gradually increase intensity over time, and they emphasize the lowering phase of exercises to build strength safely. Even just 2 30-minute sessions per week can spark dramatic changes. A groundbreaking study from the University of Alabama showed that seniors who committed to progressive resistance training gained over 3 pounds of muscle and boosted strength by 35% in just 12 weeks. And along with muscle, they improved balance, cognition, and even blood sugar control. So there you have it. The 7 habits that keep certain people strong and independent into their 80s, 90s, and beyond. You don't need to change everything overnight. Start with one habit that feels doable and build from there. Each step you take today is an investment in a stronger, more independent tomorrow. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Were you surprised by any of these habits? Do you know someone in their 70s or 80s who still has remarkable strength? Share your thoughts in the comments. We read every one. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next science-backed tip for healthy aging.